chance of showers.
Alright, here we go again with the RWT.
Showers likely in the afternoon.
There we go. Now I got a clean camera for this one.
Between a tenth and a quarter of an inch. Highs in the lower 70s.
Kind of forgot to clean it, but here we go.
5 to 10 miles an hour with
Let's see how many activations we can get. Hopefully everybody does.
Rain 70%. Thursday.
And there we go. Oh yeah, come on. Alert works. There you go. Okay. There you go.
During dangerous weather events, no weather radio receivers can be activated by these systems. A message with information about a watch or warning would follow.
You're late on that one there, 120.
These systems are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test may be postponed until the next good weather day. Repeating, this was a test of the specific area message encoding and phone alert systems. Here is the latest National Weather Service forecast for Perry, Cumberland, Dauphin, and Lebanon counties, including the city of Harrisburg.
That was really good. Don't know if I got this one over here.
Showers with possible thunderstorms and drizzle.
I didn't, but it activated.
Rainfall amounts around a tenth of
There we go. That was it.
Highs in the lower 70s.
That was a really good test. So we'll see what next week holds.
Rain 50%.